Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a sous vide immersion circulator that promises restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen, all with the convenience of smart technology. We're talking about the INKBIRD WiFi Immersion Circulator for sous vide, model number B0DJ2MY7ZG. This unit boasts 1000 watts of power, IPX7 waterproofing, and a host of features designed to make your cooking experience as effortless as it is delicious. Let's start with what makes this cooker stand out: its Wi-Fi connectivity. The ability to control your sous vide from your phone using the INKBIRD app is a game changer. Imagine starting your steak to cook while you're still at work, or adjusting the temperature from the couch while you're relaxing. The app not only allows remote control but also provides access to a library of USDA-approved recipes, taking the guesswork out of gourmet cooking. You can even share access with family members, so everyone can join in on the culinary fun. This feature truly unlocks the potential for busy individuals to enjoy perfectly cooked meals without being tethered to the kitchen. Durability is another key aspect of the INKBIRD circulator. Its IPX7 waterproof rating means it's built to withstand long cooking sessions without succumbing to rust or damage, which is crucial for a device that will be submerged in water for extended periods. The unit features 3D circulation heating, a system designed to ensure that the water temperature is distributed evenly throughout your cooking vessel. This even heating is the cornerstone of sous vide, guaranteeing that your food is cooked uniformly, locking in juices and flavors for that coveted melt-in-your-mouth texture. No more worrying about hot spots or unevenly cooked proteins. Precision is, of course, paramount in sous vide cooking, and the INKBIRD circulator aims to deliver. It offers an impressive temperature control accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius or 0.3 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of precision is what separates good sous vide from great sous vide, ensuring consistent and repeatable results every time. The temperature range is extensive, spanning from 32 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for a wide variety of cooking applications, from delicate fish to slow-cooked tough cuts of meat. Furthermore, the timer function can be set for up to 100 hours, opening up possibilities for extended slow-cooking projects that would be impossible with conventional methods. The hands-off cooking aspect is a major draw for many home cooks, and this INKBIRD model embraces it fully. The app's booking function allows you to schedule your cooks in advance, which is incredibly convenient for meal prepping or ensuring dinner is ready exactly when you need it. You'll receive real-time alerts when your meal is done, so you're never left guessing. Safety is also a priority, with alarms that trigger if the water level gets too low or if the temperature spikes unexpectedly. This provides peace of mind, especially during those long cooks. It really acts as your sous chef, always on duty. Powering all these features is a robust 1000-watt immersion circulator. This higher wattage means the water heats up more quickly, and importantly, it can maintain a stable temperature for days if needed, thanks to its stainless steel heating column. This makes it ideal for large batch cooking, meal prepping for the week, or hosting dinner parties where you need to hold food at a precise temperature for extended periods before serving. The build quality, with its stainless steel components, suggests a product designed for longevity and reliability. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this INKBIRD WiFi Immersion Circulator. On the positive side, the Wi-Fi connectivity and app control are fantastic, offering unparalleled convenience and access to recipes. The precise temperature control and wide temperature range are excellent for achieving consistent, high-quality results. The IPX7 waterproofing and 1000-watt power output contribute to its durability and efficient performance. The long timer functionality is a significant advantage for advanced sous vide techniques. The built-in safety features are also a welcome addition. However, there are a few things to consider. While the app is functional, some users might find the interface a little less intuitive than more established smart kitchen platforms. The initial setup of the Wi-Fi connection might require a moment of patience. Also, while the 1000 watts is sufficient for most home kitchens, for extremely large water baths, a slightly higher wattage might theoretically speed things up even further, though in practice, it's more than capable for standard setups. Lastly, while it comes with free recipes, the long-term support and updates for the app are always a factor to consider with connected devices. In conclusion, the INKBIRD Wi-Fi Immersion Circulator for Sous Vide is a strong contender in the smart sous vide market. It successfully blends powerful cooking capabilities with modern connectivity, making gourmet cooking more accessible and convenient than ever before. If you're looking to elevate your home cooking with precision, flexibility, and a touch of smart technology, this INKBIRD Circulator is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.